Hello, hi dear students, good morning. I am back again for detailing the first chapter. See the title A Triumph of Surgery, written by James Herriot. Dear children, what does the title mean? Here, triumph means a great victory, and surgery means a place where a doctor treats patients. Here it's a veterinary doctor, the doctor of animals. So the complete meaning is a great victory in the field of surgery. Whose surgery was done here? A great victory, that is, the treatment that was given to Tricky had been successful. The writer is James Herriot. James Herriot, his real name was James Alfred White, was an English veterinary surgeon and writer. He was born on 30 October 1916 in England. James Herriot was a noted veterinary surgeon, so he utilized his vast experience in writing stories about animals. He died on 23rd February 1995 at the age of 78. Now, before the start of the chapter, you can see there are three questions given at the top. The first question is, why is Mrs. Pumphrey worried about Tricky? Second question is, what does she do to help him? Is she wise in this? And the third question is, what does I refer to in this story? So, we will discuss the answer of all these questions after finishing the chapter. In the first paragraph, I, here is the narrator, Dr. James Herriot. One thing I must tell you, there are three main characters in this lesson. The first character is the narrator, Dr. James Herriot, who is a veterinary doctor, a doctor of animals. The second character is Mrs. Pumphrey, who is a rich, wealthy woman. Third, Tricky, who is a pet dog of Mrs. Pumphrey. The paragraph starts with, I was really worried about Tricky this time. Here I is the narrator, Dr. James Herriot, who was worried and shocked to see the Tricky's appearance. Tricky had become hugely fat, like a bloated sausage. Bloated means swollen, like a flat balloon filled with air. So the dog was hugely fat, like a swollen sausage. Here sausage means finely minced meat stuffed, filled, packed into long cylindrical cases. So the dog also looked like, the dog was so fat that it looked like the bloated sausage with a leg at each corner. The dog's eyes looked bloodshot. Bloodshot means red colored, inflamed, and rheumy. Rheumy means water discharged from his eyes. And even his tongue lolled from his jaws. Lolled means hanged out the tongue. These were all the symptoms of good health. The dog was so fat All he was good, fit and fine. Now in the second paragraph, Mrs. Fumfrey suddenly called the doctor and told him that the dog lacked energy. The dog has become listless, has no enthusiasm, no energy. She thought the dog might be suffering from malnutrition. James has already given suggestions regarding Tricky's strict balanced diet, but she never followed it. The doctor even advised her to cut down on the sweet things. In spite of all this, Mrs. Fumfrey continued giving some little extras between meals to build him up, like malt, cod liver oil, and a bowl of Horlicks at night. Mrs. Fumfrey was a wealthy woman, so she loved her dog too much. The dog was greedy and loved only food but had no exercise. The doctor expected a call to come within a few days, and it happened. He was called by Mrs. Fumfrey, and she told him that Tricky had refused to eat. He has refused even his favorite dishes and was tottering. Tottering means moving in a feeble, in a weak or unsteady way along in his little tweed coat. Tweed, that is rough woolen fabric, and has also bouts of vomiting. Bouts meaning a short period of vomiting. The doctor told her that Tricky needed immediate hospitalization for keeping under observation at his surgery for a fortnight, that is 2 weeks. The poor lady almost fainted and started wailing, crying that she could not survive without Tricky, as she loved her dog too much. Even all the entire staff roused, and the maid servants rushed in and out, bringing Tricky's day bed, his night bed, his favorite cushions, toys, and rubber rings, breakfast bowl, lunch bowl, supper bowl, etc. See, you can see here she is a wealthy woman, and she even just to carry the dog to Dr. Harriot's surgery, the entire staff was involved in arranging all the things of Tricky, which was to be carried to surgery. It shows that she is a rich lady. Dear children, all these paragraphs, there are so many instances given which will support you. How can you say that Mrs. Fumfrey was a rich lady? So there are so many evidences, so many clues given, like the dog has different kinds of bowl for breakfast, for lunch, supper. Supper means night meal. We also say dinner. So, and all the staffs were also involved. Even the staff became desperate. Everybody was wailing, crying, because everybody was missing the dog Tricky. That's all today. Bye, student. Now the rest content of the lesson will be continued in the next session. That's all. Thank you. Bye.